The best way to start rolling is to create an account. Here is how to do it. Create a new account in the Accounts menu. Choose the account type, whether you're working with a customer or a corporation. Fill in the essential fields and save. Here's a tip. In the account, go to Related. That's where you can start adding contacts and they would be right on the correct account. Create a new internal or external contact. Fill in the essential fields, save, and now you're ready to start creating matters. A matter is always related to an account. Therefore, you should select the account and then fill in the data. You must choose the current matter status, it will be shown on the status bar. And then fill in as much info as you can. Here's another tip, you can create practice areas and matter types according to your business. To see which are already created, go to the 9 dots on your upper left corner and search there for practice areas or matter types. Go back to Matters. You can now add more info on the matter, such as expenses, fee notes, payments, etc. Go to the next menu and start exploring. Remember, you have a walkthrough help, along with all the rolling legal main features. Now you are up to start rolling on bigger issues.